Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing about another important grammar topic, that is pronouns. Alright, so let's get started. Read these sentences carefully. Ria is a good girl. Ria writes beautifully. Ria loves ice cream. What do you think? Is this a correct way to describe a person? No. In these sentences, the name Ria, which is a noun, is used again and again. So according to English grammar, this is not a correct way to describe a person. Well, what should be done to correct this error? After the first line, the noun Ria should be replaced with the pronoun she. She is a pronoun. So first line will remain same as the name of the girl is being introduced there. That is Ria. Okay? Like Ria is a good girl. She writes beautifully. She loves ice cream. So what we have done, we have replaced the noun Ria with the pronoun she. Alright? We use the pronoun she for the female gender. Okay? Moving on. Pronouns are the words that takes the place of a noun. Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. Here, the word he is a pronoun and he is used for Chris, which is a noun. Moving on. Words like he, she, it, we, they, you and I are pronouns. Alright? Let's understand the use of these pronouns in the sentences. John is playing basketball. So John is a male. So for male gender, we use the pronoun he. It will be he is playing basketball. We have replaced the noun John with the pronoun he. Moving on. Bella plays guitar. Bella is a female gender. So the pronoun she will be used in place of that. Like she plays guitar. Betty is a cat. So for animals and non-human things, the pronoun it is used. Betty is replaced with the pronoun it. Next is Peter and I love reading. Here, more than one person is being discussed, and most importantly, the one who is speaking this sentence is also included in the sentence. That's why I is used. So in this situation, the pronoun we will be used. Like Peter and I is replaced with the pronoun we. We love reading. Moving ahead. Rahul, Mohit and Tina are friends. Here also, more than one person is being discussed, but the speaker is not included in this. That's why in place of Rahul, Mohit and Tina, the pronoun they is used. They are friends. Isn't it interesting to use these pronouns? Alright. Well, the next pronoun is you. You is used for one or more than one person whom we talk to. But to avoid the confusion that whether you will be used with singular or plural, it is kept under the category of plural. Like in this situation, one girl is saying to another girl that you are a good player. If there would be a group of people, then also we would have used you. Alright? Now, the last pronoun is I. I is used for the person talking about himself or herself. Like here, the man is saying about himself that I am a pilot. So, children, I hope this much is clear. Let's do an activity to polish your concepts. You have to replace the noun Sia with the pronoun she. Okay? Have a look at these sentences. My friend Sia is coming to visit me today. Sia has come from America. Sia is going to stay with me for a few days. Sia will come to your house for dinner. So according to the activity, let's replace the noun Sia with the pronoun she. As I told you earlier, first line will remain unchanged. So let's start. My friend Sia is coming to visit me today. She has come from America. She is going to stay with me for a few days. She will come to your house for dinner. Isn't it easy to use the pronouns? Now, let's solve few riddles. That is on page number 38, 39, 40 and 41 of Collins English Grammar. Okay. Well, in part A, you have to fill the blanks with I, you, he, she or it. So, first sentence is already done. We'll start with second one. Maria is a naughty girl. Dash loves to play tricks. So, Maria is a female. For female gender, the pronoun she is used. That's why it is Maria is a naughty girl. She loves to play tricks. Next is the crow felt thirsty. It searched for water. For animals, we use the pronoun it. Moving on. Kiran is my brother. He is very kind. So brother means male gender. That's why the pronoun he is used. So similarly, other parts will also be done. Moving ahead on part B. Here a few sentences are given and one word is underlined in each sentence. You have to choose the correct pronoun from the brackets. So the first one is solved. Like Harish is a little boy. Harish is 3 years old. Here the word Harish is underlined, right? Options are he, she, I. As you know, Harish is a male, so that's why the pronoun he is used. Like Harish is a little boy. He is 3 years old. Okay? Similarly, in second sentence, Sita's mother bought her a toy car. She bought it from a toy store nearby. Here she is used. As Sita's mother means we are talking about a female gender. Alright? Children, likewise, other parts will also be done. Moving on to page number 41. Here in part A, some pictures of humans and animals are given. You have to read their conversations and fill the blanks from the pronoun we, you or they. Okay, so the first one is I am a parrot. This is a sparrow. We are birds. Are you a bird? So here the pronoun we is used because the speaker is also included in the sentence. Moving ahead, next is Radha and Rishi are doctors. They save lives. We go to them when we are sick. Here we are talking about two persons, that is Radha and Rishi. That's why the pronoun they is used. Then the pronoun we is used in the next sentence as the speaker is also included over there. Fine. Children, rest of the parts will also be done in the same manner. Moving on to part B. This will also be done the same way. Now have a look at your homework. So, Firstly, you'll write the definition of pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. So words like he, she, it, we, they, you, and I are pronouns. After this, one exercise is given to you. You have to underline the pronouns over there. Like the first sentence is, he is very happy. Next is, she is my sister. It is hot today. I am your well-wisher. They are going to school. Are you in my office now? What do you want? Do you know me? And the last sentence is, you are my best friend. Well, children, this is it for today. I hope you understood. Thank you.